Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. A good deal. Features also include keyless entry, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, steel wheels, FWD, headlights auto off, wheel covers, mirror memory. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.